Guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on the application of CapCut. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about CapCut and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. And then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of CapCut. Then you can update your app if you find updates here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your